It's a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports Outlander has a fresh look that's highlighted by an adventurous new grille. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.